Hello guys and welcome in Simodefa Finance. In today's video I wanna clarify the spread and the commission that we are paying using MetaTrader 5 with BYBIT. So I did a video about how to use MetaTrader 5 with BYBIT. Basically MetaTrader is an application used in the Forex market, but BYBIT gives us the possibility also to use MetaTrader with BYBIT, basically for trading cryptos and not only cryptos. In the previous video a lot of you guys asked about the commission, so in this video I will show you everything. Before starting with the video, if you want to support the channel, you can find the link of BYBIT in the description. It's one of the best crypto exchange in the world and you can use this exchange to trade, like I told you, cryptos but also Forex and some other stuff that I will show you. So I'm now connected into BYBIT MetaTrader 5. Like I told you in the previous video, we have the possibility to trade cryptos directly on MetaTrader 5 using the provider BYBIT. So basically we have the possibility to trade cryptocurrencies, Forex that is operating basically only during the week because the Forex market in the weekend is closed, and CFD. We have the possibility to use 500 per leverage. We can start with 0 pips spread. We have 100 more popular trading pairs, and we have basically and here we can see about the fee. So we have 0 fee for closing our trade. Trading fee as low as 3 BPS. So for cryptos we don't have to pay commissions. Basically we pay the usual commission that we are paying using BYBIT. And for the Forex, so for the CFD, we start for $3 per lot. BYBIT is a top tier liquidity, so we have one of the best liquidities for cryptos, and we have also 24-hour customer support. These are the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana and XRP and all the major cryptos that we can trade. After I will go into my MetaTrader 5 application to show you the spread. So basically we don't have spread, so we can see right here that the bid and ask are basically the same. So once we open a trade, which fee we will pay? We will pay the normal fee of BYBIT. So if we are a VIP user, so we can basically go into BYBIT fee in order to see how much fee we have to pay. And you can see right here that if you are using a trade into the perpetual and futures contract, basically if you are operating with a limit execution, we are paying this amount of percentage on our trade. And if you are doing market execution, so we are buying or selling at the actual price, we will pay more fee. Of course, if we are VIP, we can reduce the amount of fee that we are paying using BYBIT. So we don't have spread. Basically is like the USDT perpetual section that we are that allow us to trade cryptos with leverage, but we are able to trade inside MetaTrader. We can also trade Forex, and you can see right here that the spread is very good. Like told here, basically we will start to pay $3 per lot if we want to trade Forex into BYBIT. For the CFD, metals and oil, we have basically the spread. So you can see right here that we have a little bit of spread bigger than in the Forex market. We will pay also here in the CFD $3 per lot for commission, or we will start to pay from that amount. So the minimum fee is $3 per lot. For cryptos, guys, we just use the cryptos of BYBIT. We have the possibility to connect 90 plus indicators and also expert advisor in our account. Of course, we can download MetaTrader 5 from Android Play Store, Windows or Mac iOS. So you can see right here that with this the fee structure of BYBIT, there is a different type of trading contract. Basically different type of trading contract will have different commissions rate. For Forex, commodities and indices, the fee standard is $3 per lot. For cryptos perpetual contract, the fee is calculated as contract quantity per open price per taker fee or maker fee, and basically this corresponds to the VIP fee rate. So the VIP fee rate that I showed you before. So using MetaTrader 5 with BYBIT, we are paying basically the same commission of trading directly into the derivative portal, into the future portal that give us the possibility to use 125 per leverage. This is basically the fee on BYBIT. From the MetaTrader 5 application, I am able to see all the assets. For example, you can see Bitcoin. The bid and ask are basically the same, like we showed before. And so if we want to, for example, open a trade, we just go on trade and we are able to buy by market execution or with a buy or sell limit or buy and sell stop. And the fee will be calculated on the order. So of course, if we buy or sell Bitcoin by market, we will pay more fee than buying or sell Bitcoin with a limit order. So from quotes, you are able to select all the crypto. So from quotes, we are able to select all the major forex and also cryptocurrency. So we have a lot of cryptos that we are able to trade inside MetaTrader 5. Of course, for trading forex, we use of course the liquidity of forex is not like trading in a forex broker. So MetaTrader 5 is useful with BYBIT, I think, only if we trade cryptos, and we have a very and BYBIT is nowadays the only big major exchange that allow us to trade cryptos with leverage inside MetaTrader 5. I hope, guys, that everything was clear for this video. Subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support our work, you can find the link of BYBIT in the description that allow us to open your first MetaTrader 5 account and trade directly into this application and not inside BYBIT.